In this lecture, we are going to see how to install and configure WP Rocket Cache plugin. Once you have bought the WP Rocket plugin from their website, which we have seen in the previous lecture, also I will attach the URL to WP Rocket Cache plugin in this lecture as a resource. So, once you have completed the purchase, you will get a zip file having that plugin. You just need to go to plugins and then add new. Then click on upload plugin button. You will get a choose file box. Click choose file and choose the zip file that you have got from WP Rocket website. Just select it and click open. Now you just need to select install now button to install WP Rocket Cache plugin. Once the installation is over, you will get WP Rocket in your admin bar, and also under the left side panel, settings and then WP Rocket. Click on it to open WP Rocket configuration. You will be taken to this page. Now just enable the checkboxes that I have enabled here. Parallelly, let me explain you what each option will do on your website. Let's start with Basic tab. In our Speed Booster plugin configuration in PageSpeed Technique 1, we have seen Lazy Load Images feature. Since several websites use themes from Theme Forest or lot of plugins to display videos with several styling options, those videos and iframes will not come under Lazy Load feature of Speed Booster plugin. So they unnecessarily take a lot of time to load while carrying out page speed test, and also users will experience a lot of load time. To counter that, WP Rocket offers lazy load for not only images but also iframes and videos. Generally, this should work with most of the websites, but after enabling lazy load for images, iframes and videos, click Save Changes button and preview your website. Check whether these components loads correctly. Coming down to mobile cache. Yes, we need to enable caching for mobile devices. Let's create a separate cache for mobile devices. Leave the user cache disabled. Let's move on to SSL cache. If your website is already served by HTTPS, that is, if your site URL starts with HTTPS, then this option is enabled by default. Else, enable it only if your site has got a SSL certificate installed. This is a setting that should be turned on only when your entire website runs on HTTPS. Enable emoji cache. This will reduce the number of requests and can improve load time of your website. Coming to WordPress embeds. This disables both way of embedding. Others cannot embed your website on theirs, and you too cannot embed their website on yours. It removes the JavaScript request related to WordPress embeds only. So other embeds like YouTube, Vimeo, etc. will work fine. The default cache lifespan is set to 10 hours. If your site is less dynamic, that is, if your site's content won't change frequently, you can increase or decrease this accordingly. It's better to leave it to default value. That's it. We have completed configuring the basic settings. Let's hit Save Changes button and check our websites. Let's see Static Files tab in the next lecture.